Hi, good afternoon. Today I would like to show you how do I reload a new film into this camera. So as you can see, this camera is my favorite Nikon film camera F2. It's one of the legendary flagship film camera from 70s, and this is I would say that a very solid camera built like a tank. Every time I like to always fidgeting with this film lever advance and just listen to the music come off of it. You see, amazing. So all you need to do is very straightforward. When you flip the camera over, you can see here there's this knob. All you need to do is just turn it and just twist it a little bit, then this film bag will be open, and this is how you open the film bag. So I just rest my camera here, and over here, okay, over here I have this film. It's a Kodak Color Plus 200, one of the most economical film that you can get in the market. The color is very warm and it's easy to use with this ISO 200. It's quite versatile. So as you can see, I already opened the box. So once you open, you can just take out the film from the container, and all you need to do is pretty straightforward. You just insert the film into this area, but as you can see now it is blocked by this mechanism, so you need to pop it right up and just drag the film all the way to the back. You can see there's some slot here. You need to insert the film into this area, carefully align it, then you can just try to see whether it advances successfully. Okay, you see here, this is an example of the film is not going in smoothly. So what you need to do is take it out. Okay, and try it one more time. Don't worry about it, because the very first part of the film is always, wasted in a way. Okay, so now you have carefully align it and just, okay, here you go. So all you need to do is just pop it back and carefully secure the lock pin. And once you have pressed it for 2 times, you can see the down now, the meter now is at the exposure number 0, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is how you actually load the film inside the classic film camera. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.